The Control Battle, CEX versus DEX. Before we dive into the alpha, we have to understand the battlefield of the modern trader. In the crypto world, you have two choices: centralized exchanges, or CEXs, and decentralized exchanges, or DEXs. CEXs like Binance are fast and liquid, but they hold your keys and your control. If they go down, your money goes with them. DEXs give you total sovereignty and keep you in control of your own wallet, but they often struggle with slow speeds and shallow liquidity. This fundamental tension is exactly why the market is searching for a hybrid solution that offers the safety of self-custody with the professional performance of a high-speed trading floor. Perpetuals, the $61.8 trillion game. Now let's talk about the biggest game in finance, perpetuals. Unlike regular spot trading where you just buy a coin, perpetuals are futures contracts with no expiry date, allowing you to go long or short on any asset with massive leverage. This isn't just a niche hobby. In 2025, annual crypto perpetual trading volume on centralized exchanges hit a staggering $61.8 trillion, with the total derivatives market reaching over $85 trillion. When you add the $7.5 trillion daily Forex market, you realize that the business of Perps is the true engine of global wealth. It is the most profitable sector in finance because it drives the volume that powers the entire ecosystem. Longs, shorts, and Perps? For those new to the game, let's simplify the mechanics. Going long is easy. You believe the price will rise, so you buy low and hope to sell high later. Going short is the secret weapon. You believe the price will fall, so you effectively borrow the asset to sell it at today's high price, planning to buy it back cheaper later and pocket the difference. Perpetuals, or Perps, are just these trades without an expiration date. You can hold your position as long as you want. It's like a never-ending wager on the direction of the world's wealth. You aren't just buying coins. You are betting on the speed and direction of the global market's momentum. This is how professional traders profit in both bull and bear markets, and Cartha is the engine that makes it all possible. The DEX Challenge. Enter Cartha. Despite the massive opportunity, decentralized perpetuals face a brutal challenge: liquidity. Most DEXs are like ghost towns, low volume, high slippage, and slow execution that makes professional trading impossible. Traders are forced back into centralized black boxes just to get their orders filled. This is the exact bottleneck that Cartha SN35 is engineered to shatter. By building a specialized liquidity engine directly on Bittensor, Cartha provides the deep, incentivized depth needed to power 0x markets. It is the missing link that finally brings TradFi-grade performance and security to the decentralized world. This is how we take over the multi-trillion-dollar throne and bring the market on-chain. The trading revolution. Hey everyone, welcome to Buy, Stake, Chill. Today we're diving into SN35 Cartha, the decentralized liquidity engine powering 0x markets, the permissionless DEX for global perps in crypto, Forex, and commodities. With a $5.48 million market cap, 32.30% staking APY, and live mainnet liquidity, Cartha brings $7.5 trillion TradFi markets directly on-chain. Miners provide USDC liquidity to earn Tau rewards, while validators ensure absolute market fairness. This is Bittensor's answer to the global liquidity crisis. Let's break down this DeFi powerhouse and see why the smart money is moving into SN35. The problem: market barriers. Traditional trading is a $7.5 trillion fortress, locked behind intermediaries, high fees, and unfair geographic barriers. Retail traders face massive KYC walls, limited access to global Forex and commodities, and manipulated liquidity from centralized exchanges. Current DeFi perpetuals often lack the depth needed for professional execution, leading to heavy slippage and poor price discovery. For global markets to truly decentralize, we need a trustless, permissionless liquidity layer that rewards providers without corporate restrictions. Cartha is here to smash those centralized gates and open the markets for everyone, everywhere, at any time. The era of permission trading is officially ending today. The Subnet fix. Cartha SN35. Cartha SN35 serves as the specialized Liquidity-as-a-Service engine for the 0x market's DEX. Miners act as decentralized liquidity providers by depositing USDC, earning TAO incentives based on their capital performance and uptime. Validators use the UMA consensus to ensure fair market making and accurate price delivery across the network. This architecture enables deep, dynamic liquidity for crypto, currencies, and commodities on the base chain. By aligning miner incentives with trader needs, Cartha creates a trading environment that rivals the depth of traditional finance without the need for a central clearinghouse. It is a sovereign engine designed for the future of decentralized finance. The Rigged Club. Imagine the world of global trading is like an elite, members-only club. The big banks and giant centralized exchanges are the bouncers at the door. They decide who gets in based on where you live or how much money you already have. Even if you get inside, they charge you massive hidden fees and sometimes even manipulate the game to make sure the house always wins. If you want to trade gold or foreign currencies, you're hit with walls of paperwork and slow service. It's a rigged system designed to keep the average person out in the cold while the insiders profit from your lack of access. It's high time we broke down those walls for good. The Open Bazaar. Cartha turns that exclusive club into a vibrant open market bazaar where everyone is welcome. Anyone can deposit USDC to set up their own liquidity stall and earn rewards for facilitating real global trades. The Bittensor network acts as the ultimate verifier, ensuring every trade is fair, transparent, and settled instantly. This allows anyone to trade Perpetuals globally with no IDs, no bouncers, and ultra-low fees. It is trading democracy in action, permissionless access, and deep liquidity for the entire planet, powered by the decentralized brain of Bittensor. This is how we win back our financial sovereignty and build a market that belongs to its users. Cartha versus CEX. Cartha is the ultimate giant killer, eclipsing centralized exchanges with total transparency and global access. Unlike Binance or Bybit, there are no KYC restrictions or regional blocks. Everyone gets a seat at the table. Cartha's incentivized liquidity depth beats the slippage found on traditional DEXs like DYDX or GMX. By offering TradFi assets like Forex and gold on-chain, 0x Markets provides a cheaper and fairer alternative to old-world brokers. The edge is clear. TAO rewards align liquidity providers for the long term, creating a sustainable ecosystem that fee-only models simply cannot match. We are building the Wall Street of the future without the walls. The team. Market pioneers. Cartha is forged by the veterans at Taoshi and General Tao Ventures, the architects who truly understand the bridge between TradFi and DeFi. These aren't just developers, they are market mechanics, led by builders like Sam from Templar AI, who has a proven track record in decentralized infrastructure. The project is backed by the ecosystem's $200 million institutional gravity from titans like Polychain and Digital Currency Group. While they haven't taken direct VC for the subnet, they carry the weight of the world's most sophisticated AI investors. This is an elite team with the pedigree and the backing to build the future of decentralized finance on Bittensor. Production ready. Live liquidity. Is it ready? Absolutely. Cartha successfully launched on mainnet in February 2026, with USDC deposits already enabling perpetual trading for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and major Forex pairs. Revenue is flowing from trading fees, ensuring that emissions are tied to actual demand rather than just inflation. Active clients include traders on 0x markets and other subnets that require decentralized depth. Cartha isn't just a pilot. It's an operational power plant transmuting liquidity into financial intelligence. The dashboard is live, the liquidity is growing, and the engine is humming. This is production-grade DeFi on the most powerful AI network in the world. We are live, and we are ready. The Beast Bull Case. The Beast Bull Case for Cartha is generational. As global Forex continues to dominate the daily financial volume, Cartha capturing a mere 1% of that volume would hit a $75 billion market cap. That is a 13,700x move from today's levels. With the parent Tau token targeting $5,000, SN35 becomes the primary fuel for the Bittensor DeFi explosion. We are witnessing the on-chain trading renaissance, where permissionless perps for global assets become the standard. Cartha isn't just a subnet, it's the decentralized financial infrastructure of the new AI economy. The potential for wealth creation here is unmatched. The bear case. Reality check. But we must look at the risks with a skeptical eye. The bear case for Cartha involves fierce competition from established giants like DYDX or GMX, who could erode liquidity through aggressive marketing and token incentives. If USDC deposits lag, the market depth will suffer, leading to higher slippage for traders and a potential loss of confidence. This is high-stakes financial infrastructure. If global regulations hit the base chain hard, or if minor incentives misalign, the liquidity could dry up quickly. This is a game of scale and trust, and any slip in the cryptographic rituals could hurt the foundation. Stay sharp, watch the order books, and always manage your risk properly. Returns and future math. Let's look at the beast math for your monthly rewards. Staking 5 Tau into the Cartha pool currently yields approximately 0.13 Tau every month. That might seem modest now, but at 100x market cap expansion to $548 million, those rewards could skyrocket. If Tau hits our $5,000 target, your monthly rewards alone could hit $1,000 or more. Cartha's unique fee sync mechanism turns trading volume into revenue that buys back the alpha token, making it one of the most sustainable subnets on the network. Buy Tau, stake in Cartha, and wait for the flywheel to spin up. The math is on our side. Hope you learned something new today. Thank you for joining us for this deep dive into the trading alpha. Remember, this is not financial advice. Always perform your own research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. In the era of decentralized markets, the real risk is missing the wave of permissionless finance entirely. Our mission is to educate and bring these once-in-a-lifetime opportunities directly to your screen. Like, share, and subscribe to Buy, Stake, Chill for more subnet revelations. Stay sovereign, stay skeptical, and keep your Josh high. Don't wait to buy Tau and wait. We will see you on the next briefing.